all love food. We all love to eat mouth-watering delicacies. No matter your preference and dietary choices, food is a necessity all humans can indulge. So it should come as no surprise that some of the world's greatest chefs become multi-millionaires, from owning world-renowned brands, cookbooks, and restaurants to whipping up extravagant cuisine with the richest ingredients for celebrities, billionaires, and politicians. These expensive chefs are living the dream. These chefs are living like the folks they're cooking for and will probably never go out of business because the food industry is one that never dies. While that may seem like an exaggeration, see for yourself just how successful these chefs have become by pursuing their passions and making people happy with their culinary creations. Welcome to Luxo-Life, your partner toward personal growth and success. Today, we're taking a peek in the lives of the mega chefs of 2023, the best paid culinary artists of the foodie world today. From their secrets to success to fun facts about their careers, stick with us till the end to explore the world of Michelin chefs and the food of kings and queens. But before we begin, the chefs on this list are arranged according to current net worth, and since, like most multimillionaires, these people often move up and down the list. So we've prepared the most up-to-date list we can come up with for your entertainment. Let's get into it. Number 10. Garten, $50 million. Before entering the culinary world, Garten worked as a budget analyst at the White House. Despite the lack of any formal training as a full-time chef, Garten became a well-renowned American chef and author for her simple and newbie-friendly recipes. However, Garten struck fame and fortune after becoming the host of the American cooking show Barefoot Contessa on the Food Network. Garten's Barefoot Contessa brand first opened business in 1978 and sold gourmet foods. Since then, the Barefoot Contessa brand secured its mark in the culinary business as Garten published 13 cookbooks with the brand name. With more than 3 million followers on Instagram alone, she's got an endearing and dedicated fan base that sometimes even referred to her as the guiding light in the kitchen, the patron saint in chambray. Number 9. David Chang, $60 million. Restaurant owner, author, podcaster, and television personality, David Chang is the founder of the Momofuku Restaurant Group, a global culinary empire that specializes in rich Asian cuisine. David Chang graduated from the International Culinary Center in New York. He used to work as a phone operator at Tom Colicchio's Craft Restaurant while working part-time at Manhattan's Mercer Kitchen. With tenacious diligence and undying passion for the culinary arts, Chang would later open his first restaurant, the Momofuku Noodle Bar. In 2009, his restaurant, Momofuku Co., received 2 Michelin stars. David Chang himself was also included in the 2004 list of the most influential people of the 21st century by Esquire. His celebrity status was even elevated after creating, producing, and starring in the Netflix original series Ugly Delicious. Number 8. Bobby Flay, $60 million. Born on December 10, 1964, celebrity chef and restaurateur, Bobby Flay is the owner of over 19 restaurants across 11 states, including the Bobby Flay Steak, Bobby's Burger Place, Bar American, Mesa Grill, and The Gato. For multi-millionaire chefs, knowing the ways of business is just as important as knowing your way around the kitchen. Nothing more could be said for successful businessman Bobby Flay, who became a head chef at 20 years old, hosted a myriad of Food Network shows, published best-selling cookbooks like The Brunch at Bobby's and Bobby at Home, and even became the first chef ever to receive a dedicated star on Hollywood's Walk of Fame. How's that for a big-time celebrity chef? Number 7. Emeril Lagasse, $60 million. Tying with Bobby Flay is another well-renowned celebrity chef, restaurant owner, and author. Emeril Lagasse graduated from culinary school in 1978 from Johnson & Wales University. In 1979, he became executive chef at the Dunphy's Hyannis Resort. And if you're up for some spicy snack while you're watching, then try Lagasse's National Best Recipe Award winner, the Turkey and Hot Sausage Chili. He is also a regional James Beard Award winner, known for his mastery of Creole and Cajun cuisine and his self-developed New Orleans style. Emeril's cooking makes you smile, so it's no wonder why he's become a successful and widely popular chef who's known for serving his gourmands exactly what they want and more. In fact, NASA has already selected a number of his dishes for the menu on board the International Space Station. Number 6. Rachael Ray, $80 million. A genuine advocate of the quick and easy cooking method, Rachael Ray is straightforward when it comes to the kitchen. For all the hustler moms and professional ladies, 30-minute meals are the best way to go. Rachael Ray is an incredibly unorthodox innovator who used unique measuring slang terms like half a palmful or two-pan swirl to describe her recipes. Like most chefs on this list, Rachael Ray is also a television host, entrepreneur, and successful author of the Rachael Ray Mag. Prep up your fresh herbs, garlic, and chicken stock and follow Rachael Ray's uniquely creative approach to cooking meals of the day. Number 5. Wolfgang Puck, $90 million. The 73-year-old Austrian-American chef took his first cooking lessons from his dear mother who was a pastry chef. Mom's cooking is always the best, am I right? Early into his career, Wolfgang was an apprentice to the late Raymond Thulier of France, after which he moved to Los Angeles and became a co-owner of Ma Maison restaurant. Being a young successful chef at the age of 24, Wolfgang built his empire of multiple fine dining restaurants and premium catering services on passion and hard work. Today, he's also founded a cookware and kitchen brand and also authored a few cookbooks such as the widely popular Adventures in the Kitchen. In addition, Wolfgang is also a known philanthropist deeply involved in charitable causes. He co-established the Puck-Lazaroff Charitable Foundation together with Barbara Lazaroff in 1982, which aimed to provide meals for the disabled and elderly citizens of the Los Angeles community. Did you know Wolfgang Puck also serves as the head chef for the Oscars, managing over 25,000 dishes to serve to the greatest celebrities of the world? Number 4. Thomas Keller, $130 million. Dubbed the best California chef in 1996 and the best chef in America in 1997, Thomas Keller is a living legend of the culinary world. He spent his early days working for his mother's restaurant, then preparing meals for the staff of the Dunes Club, before becoming an apprentice to Roland Henin, yet another master chef from the lavish country of France, who discovered young Keller's talent for the culinary arts and service. Soon, he would go to open his first restaurant, Raquel, in 1987 in New York. The French Laundry, one of Keller's eateries, is located in California, where Thomas quickly gained 3 Michelin stars as well as a James Beard Award for the success of his restaurant. Thomas is still significant today despite the saying the rest is history because of his books, cookware line, and of course his position as a consultant on Disney Pixar's Ratatouille. Number 3. Nobu Matsuhisa, $200 million. The Japanese celebrity chef and restaurateur who specializes in fusion cuisine, an elusive and beautiful combination of Peruvian ingredients and classic Japanese dishes. From miso-marinated black cod to hamachi with jalapeno, Matsuhisa's culinary style is truly one of a kind. With his humble beginnings rooting from a sushi restaurant in Shinjuku, Tokyo, Matsuhisa would later open a restaurant in Peru where he discovered how to recreate authentic Japanese-style cuisine with the tropical ingredients of the Peruvian climate. Today, he works with Robert De Niro in multiple businesses ranging from restaurants to hotels, and he's also appeared in multiple movies between 1995 to 2013, which contributed to his wealth and fame. Number 2. Gordon Ramsay, $220 million. A name that needs no introduction, Hell's Kitchen chef himself, Gordon Ramsay. The British celebrity chef is perhaps the most well-known culinary creator in the world. In addition to having successful TV shows like Hell's Kitchen, Kitchen Nightmares, and the most outrageous of them all, The F Word, he has over 12 million Instagram followers. Gordon Ramsay is one who everyone in the world knows, yet still his reputation precedes him as he's been awarded with 16 Michelin stars throughout his career, and he's still holding 7 of them. Ramsay's bluntness, ferocious anger, rigid demeanor, and frequent use of profanity characterize his television appearance, and yet people find him wildly amusing. Most of Ramsay's wealth are attributed to his success in the culinary business alongside TV shows, books, and sponsorships. Number 1. Jamie Oliver, $400 million. At the top of our list is also a British celebrity chef and restaurateur. Jamie Oliver is known for his relaxed and humble personality, not to mention his simple yet creative recipes. He also has his television shows such as The Naked Chef, and a lot of his cookbooks have topped the ranks for UK bestsellers. Jamie had all the expertise he needed to succeed, from working as a pastry chef at Antonio Carluccio's Neal Street restaurant to serving as the sous chef in Fulham. Collaborating with the BBC would later help him progress professionally and financially. In 2003, Jamie Oliver was awarded Member of the Order of the British Empire, the third highest order of the British Empire honor. And that concludes our list of the top 10 best paid chefs in the world. We hope you enjoyed learning about their lives, net worth, and outstanding creations. If you like this video, leave us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome and entertaining videos.